Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the workspace and creating the GUI container. Open Roblox Studio, enable Explorer and Properties so you can access objects. Once done, add a screen GUI to Starter GUI and rename it Main Menu GUI. This ensures every player gets the menu. Next, insert a frame inside that screen GUI to act as the menu container. Set its size and position immediately so you see layout changes while you work, because visual feedback speeds iteration. Now build interactivity by adding buttons and scripts. You place text buttons labeled Play, Settings, and Quit inside the frame, then style them for readability and contrast. After that, create a local script under the screen GUI to connect to each button. Mouse button one click. This runs only on the client, keeping UI responsive. Use Tween Service to animate the frame and buttons when opening or closing, and add short UI sounds so players get clear feedback. Make sure connections are cleaned up on close. Finish by wiring actions and thoroughly testing the menu. Connect the play button to your game start logic or teleport service, and disable or destroy the menu once gameplay begins so controls don't overlap. Test and play solo and start server with multiple clients to confirm visibility, input focus, and that buttons only run locally. If something breaks, make sure screen GUI. Reset on spawn is set correctly. For persistent menus, set it to false. If events fail, check script parent paths and event connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.